Hey guys, and welcome back for another project. I told y'all that I was done with projects, and I feel like I just keep finding more and more projects to do. What a coincidence, right? So anyway, this project here is just basically wrapping boxes. There is a Pinterest idea that I found, and that's what I'm going to be doing at this moment. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to show you, is this here. And basically I'm going to be wrapping boxes. Can you see that? I'm going to get closer. So I'm going to be wrapping boxes like this. Hopefully this is focusing. There we go. So I'm going to be wrapping boxes like this because it goes with the theme. And then I am going to also be making a kind of something like this, just not as fall looking, but I'm going to be making a little box like this. That way I can put all of the favor boxes. Okay, so now that y'all see what I'm doing, let's go ahead and create. So the items I'm using is postal. There's a fly in here, y'all, so if y'all see me swinging, it's because of the fly. I've had 4 flies in here in this week. This week here has been 4 flies, and they can get on my nerves. This is postal wrapping paper, and I got this here from Dollar Tree. So I got 2 of them because I wasn't sure I was gonna need a lot. It is 5 yards, 2.5 feet times 5 yards by 5 yards, whatever. So 2.5 feet in width-wise and 5 yards long, if that makes sense. So anyway, I got these from Dollar Tree. I have my packaging tape, regular tape, and then my little regular like wrapping tape if I need it. Got my scissors, and I have plenty of boxes. So I have been saving my Amazon boxes. I've been saving my pamper boxes, my wipes boxes, because I didn't know what I was going to use. Okay, so the first thing I think I want to go ahead and create is I want to go ahead and create the box that I'm going to be using. Make sure that this is turned down. I want to go ahead and create the box that I'm going to be using for the favors. So on a video before this one, y'all should have seen me create all of my favor boxes, right? So there's a video about these, and so I need a box to display them in, like they're just, you know, packages thrown in a box. No in particular order, just kind of thrown, really not nice and neat, just kind of unorganized. So I need to be creating something for that one, and what I said was I was going to use a deep box, a deep one, because there are about 50 of those, and so after they're wrapped and everything, I kind of want to just throw them in here. So I'm going to go ahead and use this box here. So I have completed my, and it says thank you. I'm not gonna write all of the thank you for warming my house type stuff on this because I'm not doing like candles. If I was doing candles, I think I would put like thank you for warming my house, but I'm gonna say thank you. Okay, so now let's wrap this bad boy. guys, so there you have it. I made my thank you box. I'm happy. So these are going to be, where's mine? So I have one that's put together, it just doesn't have the treats inside, and it's gonna go in here. So what I'm gonna do is they're all gonna fit in here, but I think I'm gonna use some paper. This is just wrapping tissue, and I think I'm going to do that to it. Okay, and then I'll just be dumping all of these in here like so, and they'll be, you know, they'll be all every which way, and so, and they're gonna be piled down a little bit further because all of these will have to close, so it'll be a little bit more visible. You'll be able to see the thank you on here. But I think that is so cute. Yay! For the gifts to go in, because I want it to be like a wrapped gift, so I'm gonna have to wrap those after I get what I'm gonna get to put in there. Yeah, so we'll start off with wrapping these here. Can't wake up the kids. Alright guys, so the first one is done, and I'm gonna do probably about 3 more of these, or 2 or 3 more of these, and label them as well. And yeah, this is my first one. So there you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up, and I will show y'all the finished product later. Hey guys, so it's actually the next day after I've already completed some of my boxes. I think I may do maybe 1 or 2 more, but I'm gonna wait on that because I wanna wait until I see where I'm gonna place everything before I get more boxes. I think the 3 boxes that I got is enough. Plus I have the box for the thank you favors, and I also have the box for like if somebody brings cards, or you know, like the card box or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I did on yesterday, how I finished. And like I said, it may not be the best lighting right now because I'm in the office, and it's really dreary looking outside, so let's fingers crossed that it doesn't rain because I have to make an errand. But let me go ahead and show you. So again, as y'all can remember, I made this here on camera. The boxes are not closed yet because I have to put the favors in there. but they're all gonna look like this eventually, okay, with a little string. And this right here just says thank you. I did put a piece of this, which is tissue that you put in gift bags. So I put a little bit of that on the outside. I think it kind of blends in with the whole blue, brings out some blue and all of that brown. Excuse me. The next thing that I made, excuse me, the next thing that I made was the card box. So here where, you know, if someone wants to bring a card, they can put the cards in here. And I still wanted to go with the whole theme of, you know, box, you know, box type thing. So anyway, that's what I did here. So I went ahead and created that, like, you know, like a package or a box being, you know, a box being brought to the new house type deal. So anyway, I stuck with the brown paper and I just wrote the word blessings. I'm keeping it, you know, simple worded. And yeah, so I wrapped it. This one says this side up. This one says fragile, okay? The next thing that I did was, so this one here I did on camera, I believe. So I made one box and it says kitchen. The next one says fragile. And then the next one says just living room, okay? So I wanted a different, like kind of different fonts. I didn't want it all to be just really bold. I wanted it to be, you know, a little different. So anyway, that's what I did on yesterday. Completed everything. I just have to order my chairs. And I also looking for like a sound system, like something that's gonna put out the music a little bit louder than the TV type deal, you know. So I need like a Bluetooth speaker where I can play on the phone type deal that's really gonna put out music, you know, where everybody can hear, not just a certain part of the house. So I'm looking for that. Other than that, I am pretty much done. So I hope y'all enjoyed these creation videos. I know I said the last time, but I think the only other video I'm gonna make other than the gifts itself, the only other video I'm gonna probably make is me setting up. So I'm gonna show how I set up everything, and also the video of how I prepare the food. I think that's gonna be a fun video. And so yeah, so look out for those videos. I'm gonna go ahead and get out. I got an errand to run. I gotta cut my oldest hair. I already cut my youngest two, the twins' hair. And yeah, so I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. How we put together the box, because clearly there's no instructions at all.